Please, I need this money to save my life. I can't die like this. I'm begging you, my love.
My son is asking for help and I can't help him.
Please, I need this money to save my life. I'm dying. This is too serious. Please.
Jerry was last seen on November 18th, 2024, after attending a business meeting at the Roy Hiskral KFC in Centurion. On that day, he opted to be driven by his younger brother.
He said to the brother, wait for me, I'm not going to take long. And then he was on the phone, he indicated to his brother that I'm coming back. One of them said to the brother that give us 15 minutes.
But 15 minutes turned into hours.
He called Jerry's phone to check out. It's taking forever. Then Jerry, after some time, called to say, Banter, I'm kidnapped.
It shows that the criminals, they knew who they have identified and they did this particular pickup.
Experts say the kidnapping was well orchestrated, with the kidnappers managing to bypass CCTV footage.
The police, when they checked that car, it's a Mercedes-Benz. The registrations, wrong registration.
A hatchback Mercedes-Benz.
And then there are a lot of trees there, and something is obstructing to see the faces.
That's why they keep
That's
on
what
saying
we got.
they are professionals, those people.
A month passed, 2 months passed. We had Black Christmas. They told me they're asking for 60 million. Then somewhere in December, they reduced it to 25 million. Somewhere January to 10 million.
We don't have that kind of money. If they're asking for that kind of money, it's going 6 months, we couldn't even raise that kind of money. Where are we going to get that kind of money? Like my mother said, we exhausted all avenues, everywhere. We tried everywhere.
I phoned my families that I think they are well-being, they will help us. But they've been honest with me and say, Lily, you are trying your luck in a difficult way. If you don't have $1 million now, how are you going to pay us? You are going to strain our relationship. Nobody is willing to help us. So, they were honest. And Jerry doesn't have it. Jerry's wife doesn't have it.
To date, like we are saying, they keep on demanding the money, the so-called 10 million that they are looking for. The family, they don't have money and they've pleaded. They need help.
So, who is Jerry Boshoga?
Jerry ke ngwana o leng gore o stelenyana, but as an introvert, but a bui thata. The family man, o rata family ya hae, wa re thusa, o rata re be comfortable, o re ratela dilo tse smart, and then one checker every day, all the time, and o rata di surprises. A ka no tla fela a re mama test driver koloi e ka test driver fetsa re ke ya hao.
Jerry is known as a hard-working, tender entrepreneur, a farmer, and owner of a VIP protection service company. He has a taste for finer things in life. Just before he was kidnapped, he bought himself a Porsche worth 6 million rand.
Three months have passed since Jerry's kidnapping. The kidnappers are sending a strong message through disturbing videos of Jerry being brutally bitten. The following videos contain harmful content. Viewer discretion is advised.
This is too serious. Please help me. Please. I can't die like this. I'm begging you, my love. Look at me now. I really need this money. You know I work hard. I can't be treated like this.
I get messages that Jerry's best friend, Kat Vusimatala, is the one who is involved in this kidnapping. And I feel so bad and it hurt me so much that I know Vusi. I've met Vusi. I know Vusi Matala's wife. I was once sitting at the same table having lunch with Vusi Matala's wife. If that is the case, Vusi, can you be so cruel? Can you be so cruel? And take Jerry.
The family says he is a business associate and a friend of Vusi Kat Matlala.
The first time we heard about Vusi Kat Matlala was in respect of the Tembisa hospital tender. There were a lot of theories, rumors, whispers doing the rounds regarding the assassination of Boshoga and all the different people that had been involved in getting tenders and